Hi everyone, this is the 125th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here you have a nice problem from the concept of rationalization of radicals. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, if 1 over cube root of 5 minus cube root of 4 is rationalized, it will look like which of the following 5 options? So in the denominator, what do we have? We have cube root of 5 minus cube root of 4. Now to rationalize the denominator, essentially we have to convert the cube root of 5 and the cube root of 4. We have to convert this denominator into a form like this. If we can convert it into a form like this, then only the cube root will disappear, right? So to convert this into a form like this, now let's assume that cube root of 5 is equal to a. So suppose we are now going to assume that this is equal to a, and then cube root of 4 is equal to b. So essentially we are going to convert it into a cubed minus b cubed form. Now what are the two factors of a cubed minus b cubed? Well, we know that a cubed minus b cubed is actually equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. I have already created a separate video on this topic. I will provide the link in the description. Feel free to watch it. So now in the denominator, essentially we have a minus b because we are assuming that the cube root of 5 is actually a and cube root of 4 is actually b. So in the denominator we have a minus b, and we are going to convert that into a cubed minus b cubed. So we have to multiply it by a squared plus ab plus b squared. This is the rationalizing factor. We have to multiply by this rationalizing factor in both the numerator and the denominator. So let's do that. Now in the original expression, we have it as 1 over cube root of 5 minus cube root of 4, and then we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by this rationalizing factor, and that factor would be a squared, that means cube root of 5 whole squared, plus a times b, that is cube root of 5 times cube root of 4, plus b squared, that would be cube root of 4 whole squared. That's in the numerator, and of course we had 1 in the numerator, so 1 times that quantity, right? So, and then in the denominator we have cube root of 5 minus cube root of 4. It will stay as is, and then we have to multiply the same quantity in the denominator also, so that would be cube root of 5 whole squared plus cube root of 5 and cube root of 4 plus cube root of 4 whole squared, and then this will simplify to cube root of 25. So now in the numerator we have cube root of 25 plus, then it will be cube root of 5 times 4 cube root of 20 plus it would be cube root of 16, and in the denominator we are going to get cube root of 5 whole cubed minus cube root of 4 whole cubed. And if we simplify this, if you look at the denominator, it is actually converting to 1 because cube root of 5 whole cubed would be 5, and then cube root of 4 whole cubed would be 4. So it is essentially 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. So the denominator is becoming 1. That means we are going to be left with just the numerator, which is cube root of 25 plus cube root of 20 plus cube root of 16. And if you look at our answer options, we have cube root of 25 plus cube root of 20 plus cube root of 16 under option E. Let me show you all the options here. So we have cube root of 25 plus cube root of 20 plus cube root of 16 under option E. So option E should be the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.